Today I'll be providing a quick demonstration on how the G-Touch Opal can help transform your lessons and meetings. So getting started, the whiteboard is simply accessed from the home screen next to the Files, Browser and Apps. So jumping straight in, one of the most popular features of the whiteboard, apart from importing content directly from your files, is directly accessing the browser from the whiteboard. Seamlessly integrate live content into your sessions, like videos, whilst having full access to the suite of whiteboard tools. Make live annotations, draw shapes or add colour, it's all there. All G-Touch Opal whiteboards provide users with a natural writing experience. They include multi-touch technology, including split screen, and even have the capabilities of a completely infinite whiteboard canvas. When you're finished, sharing is easy. By either QR code or cloud access, everyone can receive their own copy of the session instantly. The G-Touch Opal whiteboard is designed to make your meetings smarter and your lessons more interactive.